Hi, today we will learn Dutch or Netherlands about these three sentences that kinda different when we have to talk in Dutch and when we have to talk in English. I mean the verb. In this case, let me see. Ik ben honger. I ben am honger, hungry. It should be I am hungry, but in this case, in Dutch or Netherlands, when you have to say I am hungry, instead of ik ben honger, you say it with ik heb honger. Instead of am, ben, you say it with have. I have hungry. Even though in English it's I am hungry, but in Netherlands or Dutch, ik heb honger. Second sentence, I am cold. You say the cold with het koud, the cold, het koud, the cold. So you say it with ik heb het koud. I have the cold. Ik heb het koud. So you don't say it as ik ben het koud or I'm cold, because ben is am, heb is have, but you say it with the have. So this is the correct one. Ik heb het koud. I am cold. And now the last one. When you want to say it's raining, in Netherlands, rain is regen. Rain. When you say it's raining, in Netherlands, you don't say the is. Het in this case is not the, but in this case it's it. Het regen. So you don't say or write the is. Het is regen? No. You say it, it's raining with het regen. It's raining, het regen. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Hi, today we will learn Indonesian language or Bahasa Indonesia about these three sentences. It becomes 4. About this. Okay, let's start it. When you have to say I am hungry in English, you use the am. But in Indonesia, you just use the I and hungry. So you say it with I hungry. Saya hungry, lapar. I'm hungry, it becomes I hungry, saya lapar. When you have to say I'm cold, you also skip the am, because in Indonesian language or Bahasa Indonesia, you say it with only I and then cold. Saya, I, cold, kedinginan. Saya, kedinginan. This is coldness, because when you have to say cold, the basic word or the original word for that is dingin. When you have to say cold is dingin, again, this here, it's same like when you have to say ringing, you don't say it with ringing, ringing, but you say it with ringing, the there. This is dingin, dingin. Dingin is cold, but when you have to say I'm cold, the cold there, you cannot say saya dingin. You have to say the cold with kedinginan. So this is the perfect sentence. If you say saya dingin, people will get confused. What? Like that, yeah? Saya kedinginan. So this cold, it becomes kedinginan. Dingin also can be translated as cool. So this kedinginan can be coldness or coolness. But in this case, cold. You put the prefix ke and the suffix an to make it become the somethingness. But in this case, when you have to say I am cold, you have to say the cold with kedinginan. Okay. And I have a cold, or I have the cold. It's different with I'm cold in Indonesian language or Bahasa Indonesia. If you want to say I have a cold or I have the cold, in Indonesian language, you say it with saya sakit. Sakit is sick or ill. So, it's okay when you just say I have a cold or I have the cold. You just say I'm sick or I'm ill. Again, you skip the M because you just say I ill or I sick, because sakit is sick or ill. Sakit. Saya, I, sakit. Ill or sick. Sakit. That's all. It's enough. If the people a bit close to you, they will ask furthermore, like what kind of sickness or illness that you have. Or some people just like, oh, okay, just when you say I'm sick, that's all. Some people no need extra information, but maybe your friend or family will ask furthermore, like what kind of sickness you have or something like that. This is good enough, complete. But if you want to make sure, like to say the cold, you can say saya sakit flu. Saya sakit flu. Flu, it's considered as cold, or yeah, it just so. You can just say it cold with flu. Saya sakit flu. Or if you want to say fever, flu with the fever, you don't say the flu, but you say the fever. Saya sakit demam. Saya sakit flu. If you say flu, it sounds like not so hard sickness, not so heavy illness. But if you say like demam, it's kind of like step higher. The cold level is kind of one step higher. So you say saya sakit demam. I'm sick, fever. Demam is fever. So it's just like simple one, saya sakit. If like a bit low level flu, low level of cold, saya sakit flu. Or you can also say really one step higher or two steps higher of the coldness, saya sakit demam. Even though demam is fever. But for several stuff, like if you have cough, if you have any kind of illness or sickness, you just say it with saya sakit. It's good enough. Sometimes you put the sedang in between saya and sakit, it becomes 3 words. Saya sedang sakit. I am sick. The M here is sedang. M can be also lagi. So when you want to say I am sick, you can only say saya sakit, I sick, I sick, saya sakit. Or you can also say the M in this case. The M is sedang or lagi. It means M. Right now, like that. Saya sedang sakit. Saya lagi sakit. This lagi, I will put like this because this is used for casual daily conversation. And this sedang I will put star because this is the formal correct one when you have to say it and when you have to write it. When you have to, this lagi is a formal word, but how to say it? It's not formal if you want to say it in formal occasion to say I'm sick. Like to Mr. President, or if you write a formal stuff, you don't put the lagi here, even though this lagi is formal word, but it's not a correct one. You put the M should be with sedang. But in daily conversation, you will hear this used for this sentence, even though not formal. Saya lagi sakit. You will hear it most of time with lagi. But the formal one, saya sedang sakit. Yeah, even though sedang and lagi both are formal Indonesian words. You can also use the sedang or lagi with flu or demam. Saya sedang sakit flu, or saya sedang sakit demam. Saya lagi sakit flu. Saya sedang sakit demam. Yeah. And also some people will use this one. I will put this one like this because it means it's tentative, can use or not. Some people, if already say the flu or demam, with what color? I'm confused now. This one maybe. If you say saya flu, it can. Saya demam, it can. Saya flu, I flu. Saya demam, I sick, or I fever. I have fever, but in this case you don't put the have, you just say I flu or I fever. So you can skip the sakit. You can do that too. But it's kind of like, let's say, this will be a bit confusing for you because if you say saya flu, it's kind of not formal. But if you say saya demam, it's formal. I don't know how you can remember about that, but that's the rule. Yeah. Saya demam, it's a formal sentence for that. But you will hear it. Saya sedang flu. If you say saya sedang flu, it becomes a formal one. Saya sedang flu. But if you say saya lagi flu, this one making not formal. Yeah? So this flu, how to put it? You can just repeat the video again, okay? If saya, I will make it a bit like deja vu for you. Saya flu, it's good for daily conversation but not formal. Saya sakit flu, formal. Saya sedang flu, formal. Saya lagi flu, not formal. Saya lagi demam, also not formal, because lagi is not formal. But this flu, it based on that kind of formation. And now the last one, when you have to say it's raining, you just say the rain, hujan, that's all. You don't say the you don't say the is, you just say the rain, hujan. Hujan is rain, hujan, hujan. When you say it's raining or it is raining, you say it with hujan. Or you can also say hujan turun, but it is too much. Turun is down, going down, down. Some people will say it hujan turun, but we just use hujan and that's good enough, yeah? And now I remember there's another one when you have to say demam. Panas, dingin. You will hear it. This is also formal phrase for saying fever is panas, dingin. So you can change the word demam with panas, dingin. Demam or fever, panas, dingin. 2 words, panas and then space dingin. Should be put it here. Panas, dingin. Panas, space dingin. Panas is hot. Dingin is cold. So when we have to say fever in Indonesian language, we say it panas, dingin. Panas, dingin is fever. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.